No make nobody clown you out here. Hear me on you? Right. You talk sweet. You too enough. Me I come a Bronx, my father. Tikki, you can move and go places, you know, nobody not to know where you are going, you know, when you are going, you know. Me a boss, and me a Dan. Me never say me never talk with stuff me I come, you know, see how the place big. I don't know what about the thing on my foot. Me not have nobody to worry about the thing on my foot, you know, so good comment section. Girl, you pretty like a Barbie, doll. Look nice in a blood clot, real like my father. So good, Keem. Check me up. But Keem, I go and bring them down. To stop calling him name for life. Stop it. Well, you, all him man name me, I go call, can me get them file. All him man name me, I go call, can me get them file. A blood clot, man, we season blood for buy him the hardy. All him man name me, I go blood clot call. I done it, don't you? You know, see that, I say nothing. I done it, done. Me nah blow all the man name me. Keem no fear for the year run content but no girl business or Keem nah live no decent life in a foreign. Keem is just a dirty batty man walk and take fuck like the rest of girl in a park and boom for a blood clot cocky. As in here like a silver chocolate in a one man pocket no blood clot. And them a go like them a portion of girl come for me they a blood clot speak. King body soft ya saga no blood clot. King body a shake like the American flag a blood clot. I don't know how we state it a representing of the blood clot man. I go a bring down in nasty blood clot you see. So good Keem, but you call blood clot Jeep. Don't call Jeep up me because me never did touch you. Remember me never blood clot touch you. I remember me we bring you down. Somebody say him not change. Yesterday I did black me now today me in a white or green. What you mean by? We did fuck with him, him a call Jeep up. Don't call Jeep me because he's not your pitney. Come me bring you down. I will moderate them there. Brighty, yeah, coach. Because big one did it, you would call blood clot, G me. But you know big one never blood clot did it. You run a coach me up. I say, come here, let me tell you something that you swear them out bad, so you after can fight. You see me? Me can't bust liberty, me can't come on this come bust liberty for any girl. Can you swear them but me out of street on the hot fall? Me and them can move it, Rihanna move it, blood clot, fight blood clot. When them out bad, stop bad reputation. Me could have run go grab up a knife and start stab after Keem and stab catch him no blood clot. Cause me is a bad girl, but you are. Me not change my life. Things if it hurt me, case how if it hurt me in the state, yeah, me not go do that day. Just a while ago said the boy said for stop calling him name and you start to class, notice I don't say nothing more. Me call anybody later big one, you know a late blood clot. Yeah, later you know say you know for angry, I can't go outside. When you and the people them a fight. Me not make no girl come a foreign come blood clot to me and make enemy for me. Just go on, cause from what day your mouth I get look a bit too plenty and me not gonna make you feel like say you can't be rude and me not diss up your blood clot too. So you can't say the things say me I'm a batty man, you can't tell me. You never hear them tell you say me a lad evil. Me not tell me you know, for too long you know Tikki. Oh, cause 3 times you tell me come suck you. From yesterday me I listen to you. Me no want a jacket you, me do not cold now. Me I put on green screen you. Girl, blood clot ya come a coach me a jape you. And this a chain we a catch? Don't coach me. Chase do angle your bangle. Come in know you can't work in a chase. Clean up them. Tikki, you need a jacket, boy. Yes, Sophia, me need a jacket, but right now, somebody who could do a jacket for me. Now, go jape me up. Now, you pick me, go jape me up, you. I'm in a round blood clot joke. I just to the place to part with it there, make you get way. Cause I didn't know where else me strip off my clothes, no blood clot. Before me call police, resident of America call police. And me attack say you lick me so till when lick take me no blood clot, me have to take off my clothes. Oh, I remember you're no ordinary human being. You're not a regular human being. Me can't fight you. You're ex-soldier. I chain no chain for kill. I chain no chain for kill. You're not a regular human being. I'll bring you down here. Kill her. No cool. Oh, me can't fight you, cause you're not a regular human being. You're not an ordinary human being. You chain for kill. You're an ex-soldier. You're mad? What me I go fight you about? You see them book me for fight World War II for America? Eh? You think I saw for fight you go? Me have to go in a show for fight you. Me have to buy a special must fight you. You know see what you chain for? JDF, Jamaica Defense Force. Oh, so that's me can't fight you. Further me know say me can. Me know say that him a do, but then can't do it and me no mascot. Somebody say me they are, but moderator block that page there.
There is a Manhattan bound local 3 train to Harlem 138th Street.
What you call blood clot. Guys, you don't remember me match. What you call touch and the things them. Don't play with me, but we bring you down like a boy. Don't play. I'm going to report you to the police. I'm going to show you a picture and the things going to report you. Nah, no joke. I don't know what to him. He said me a bit nice out of my mouth. He said me a bit nice out of my mouth and me a talk too loud. Guys, me I live, me so called back. So who else me today? You think I'm careless? Guys, me so come back like this. I give them news about me and I tell a bag of lie for me, and when they that's why they keep me so long in there, you know, guys, because they run a bag of background check for me in Jamaica, and then she say everything where you have to call let me go. Move your blood clot. Cause you want me, they must get turned back, and you want me must come a blood clot, Switzerland. If you have AIDS, we will be known because him no hold nothing. Listen to me. Me are the cleanest Batman boat here. As tomorrow come me a grown at the blood clot clinic. Why they like at you America in the States today? At you a blood clot holiday in the States today. That's why they like come me click me live and decide to me I walk grown there. Me I walk grown and go tell them say hello. They are in me on the internet that I'm HIV positive. Can I have an HIV test please?
I saw you one.
Mama Goyo, Mama Goyo, Mama Malando.
Bro, Muhammad, you're from Syria. You 3, baby. You 1 match.
Studio. Me attack. Destiny pretend like say my help me for my life. Destiny never beg no money for me. Me never go for Destiny life. Go say, whoa, Destiny more help. Me say, Destiny, me I go for my life. And me I go do the big little help. If you pass through your command, and you can tap and come in your box 1 minute, I go help break people them know somebody in Mexico. Which in way me and he command and he said to them, say, guys, Tikki in Mexico, and my big little help must go cross. Me appreciate her, me thankful because she never have to do it. But she not do it because she want to do it. She want to do it so she can use it against me. Chew me and attack, and that day, she know why me must talk to Vani. She know why me must talk to Rosalie. Girl, me not take manipulate for people and no girl can rule me. No girl can tell me if you go suck your mother, you brighty. You come back out, call it number. Only tell me Tikki name, Lord, I wonder what happened to Tikki. Me care about him because you are called blood clot in detention. I bring news to me. What a lucky think me blood clot. What a lucky think me blood clot him name good at Jamaica. I mean I have no criminal record. Only time me got a courthouse of a class, big pussy Julian. Go suck your mother, big old girl. You're the only girl me see in Europe and miserable. You have no friend. Remember, you're the only girl me see come out and say you want them to kill 50 women and 75 pitney, you know. Me sorry say when them kill 50 women and 75 pitney, your generation no in there.